Hey everyone, my name is Oliver Thorn, product marketing manager at Hashgraph. We're here at Web Summit. I'm here with Patrícia Carapinha, the co-founder CEO of Sentex. How are you doing, Patrícia?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for having us here, Oliver.
Fantastic. So I think the community would be interested in knowing, what got you into the Hedera community? What's the story behind Sentex? What's your journey like? Yeah, and if you could go a little bit more into that, that'd be great.
Of course. I usually say that Sentex started from the community to the community because we started as community members and then we decided to create a launchpad, we decided to create a marketplace, we started adding feature over feature. We want to make sure that we provide the absolute best marketplace that we can for the Hedera network, because we are a network that is so great in terms of technology that we want to make sure that we have a marketplace that can keep up with that. And that's exactly what we did. Fortunately, it's what we are.
Absolutely. And as someone that has used your marketplace, I can attest to it. Like, it's amazing UI, amazing analytics page. So of course, we're happy to have you in the ecosystem. I understand yesterday you guys had a really big announcement, increased functionality in collaboration with some of the other NFT marketplaces on Hedera and a really prominent collection. Could you tell us a little bit more about that? It's really exciting.
Absolutely. And I can attest that everyone was really excited about it yesterday. It was a big event. It gathered everyone from the entire ecosystem. The way this works is that Pixels Post Club, they were one of the biggest projects on Hedera.
Of course.
So if you don't know them, go ahead and discover them. It's important. They decided to make something else other than just a mint event where you go, you mint the NFT, that's it, and then what's next? That excitement disappears. And they thought about doing a forever mint. The way this works is you have the NFT, you have a pool. There were NFTs reserved right from the start in a wallet called the Ghost City wallet. And those NFTs were never minted by community members. And people wondered, what's this wallet? Why there's Ghost? Why is this going to be utilized? For what? And yesterday it was finally revealed after two years that they were working.
2 years, wow.
And they started working with the platforms a little bit later. And the way this is an ecosystem solution. So you can find it on Sentex, on Hashgraph, directly from inside the crypto wallet as well, Outlanders and Catalan. And the way it works is you have right now a mint that can go on forever using that stock of ghosts that are inside that wallet, the Ghost City wallet. People go to one of the platforms that I mentioned. They click a mint. It's just like minting an NFT for the first time. You get a random ghost from that pool of ghosts that is available to all these projects. Everyone shares the same. It's completely randomized using the technology that we can find on Hedera. And it's verifiable. So we can tell people, no, it's here. We have a proof that it's random. No marketplace can do anything with the stock and then people can go, they mint their NFT. What happens is that the Pixels Ghost Club, after that mint, goes to the marketplace and rebuys the ghosts to restock that pool. So that mint event will go on forever, literally.
Hence the forever mint.
The forever mint, exactly. And it's really interesting in terms of numbers. It was really crazy because the event went live last night around 7:30 p.m. for the ones in Europe. And it was, in terms of immediate volume, we had around 220,000 HBARs in people minting the forever mint codes. And then, since this was for the first couple of hours, it was really, really fast. That excitement went on during the night. And right now, in terms of volume for them and for the team, because they go and rebuy ghosts as well, we have at Sentex 1 million HBARs for that pixel on the 24 hours.
1 million HBARs. That is incredible.
24 hours. It's great to see, because it's an idea that it's not only for the Pixels Ghost Club, it can be licensed to other projects as well. Other projects can utilize. So it's going to be really interesting to see now other projects being able to do the same thing and keep their communities engaged.
No, that's amazing. I mean, especially for the Hedera ecosystem, NFT ecosystem, more engagement, new functionality, not only for users, but for projects as well. Really excited to see where this is going.
And I can tell you, Oliver, that we search far and wide, I can say this, for several months, and we don't know of any other project on any other network doing this. This concept forever means we believe it's really exclusive to our Hedera network so far.
It's unique, it's one of a kind, it's the first of its kind, and it really captures that sort of nostalgic feeling of opening up when you were a kid.
Absolutely.
All right, awesome. Well, that's amazing news. And just to finish off, I understand that you have something in the works that's a little bit under the radar. You kind of told me a little bit about it before, but I think the community would really like to hear all the balls on it.
We did save some also because we knew we were going to be here and we wanted to bring news that were taught for the first time here at Web Summit. And this year we have been working on more tools to add to our platform. We already have the launchpad side, we have the marketplace side as well. We are really happy to be able to say that in terms of marketplace, for the last 12 months, we have over 96% of the total NFTs volume on Hedera. But now we wanted to be able to give more power to our creators as well. So we are really, really close. When I say close, it's like probably less than a week or a week.
Less than a week. Oh, so pretty close.
Less than a week or a week, ballpark, to launch our self-launchpad, where creators will be able to go there. They have the collections already. They authorize us to spend the NFTs for them. Everything is really automatic, really easy to follow. Creators will be able to create their own launch event without having to come to us and request for a launch event. And we wanted to make sure that in terms of fees is really, really affordable, because we think that there should not be a high entry barrier for people to launch a collection. We want to incentivize people that have talent to be able to go to a marketplace and for probably less than $25, $30 launch their collection and start a launch event and then hopefully sell their collections to their users.
That is amazing to hear. Giving power back to the creators at an affordable rate on Hedera network. I mean, the NFT ecosystem thanks you. We thank you. That's super exciting, and we really look forward to seeing that launch. So if you haven't already followed Sentex on Twitter, if you haven't used the platform, highly recommend it. The UI is amazing. Analytics page is amazing. We'll keep you updated on what happens. Patricia, thank you so much for speaking with me.
Thank you so much, Oliver.
All right, we'll keep you updated.